She start? Yeah.
Now he's ready to ask him the question, and now
So are you?
he take only the video from
Okay,
me.
okay. So, so the cuisine in France is very. Okay, I need to find. Wait, attends, wait, wait. La cuisine de Vietnam. Okay, d'après. So, en France, we like to eat very good food, and then we like to eat foie gras and then beef and chocolate. And then now since I'm here in Vietnam, I start to see more and more restaurants like in Maison de la Vie, de la vie. Mais, mais, okay, like in Maison de Vie. The same now we can see they have. I eat very nice dishes like foie gras poêlé with mango coulis, and beef, roasted beef, and chocolate fondant, which was very delicious. So now I think in Vietnam the food, French food, is quite good level and quality is very good. C'est okay or not? Mix. She doesn't know.
Can you explain a little bit more, longer? Because maybe the video when you take is short. So can you repeat again that one, but explain a little bit more.
Okay, I go. So in France we have our inner culture in France. It's we are very happy to eat together, to sharing food, to eating good food, and this is very important for us. Like in Sunday, then we spend time together with the family, and then the mother cooking, and we have many restaurants now in France where we can have this. And I noticed a couple of past year in Vietnam, so there's more and more restaurants serving very good French food. And then tonight I eat in a Maison de Vie, and the food was very nice. And I feel like I was in France. They serve very nice foie gras, which is a classic dish in France. Everywhere, many restaurants they serve foie gras. It was accompanied with a sauce, mango sauce, which is kind of fusion because it's Vietnamese and French. Then we have beef. I eat beef, which was soft, and presentation was very nice. And then to finish, I had foie gras after the. And to finish, I have the chocolat chaud fondant, which was very nice with a nice ice cream. And I believe now in Vietnam there is more and more restaurants serving French food, and the Vietnamese are very happy to eat very French food. The Vietnamese are very happy to eat French food with this good quality. Yeah. Do
Do you think about the nutrition for your health?
French food is not good.
You know?
Yeah, I do care. I do care. We do now in France, in Europe, we start to eat good food, healthy food. Means not too much oil, not too much butter, but you have good oil. Like we use olive oil, and then it depends. We accommode we accommode our traditional recipe. We try to reduce cholesterol, like butter and oil. And then in Vietnam as well, I think people are interesting of this kind of food, which is healthy. You can eat good, but have a healthy dish, which doesn't make you big, and then you feel comfortable to eat.
Say about the way go to be the chefs, the French chefs,
The way?
the carriers.
My way. I work in my career. I work in since when I was first. I study in France. I study 4 years in school, and I have a baccalaureate kitchen. Then before BEP, 2 years. So total I've spent 4 years. Then I work in France. I study. Then I work in Switzerland. Then I wanted to move, and I moved in England, Scotland. And then I work in Japan as well, in Australia, Armenia. In total, I work in 12 countries in the world. And this is my last country, and now I'm 8 years in Ireland. And I work in Metropole, as you know, and Sofitel Plaza, and many other places now, Vietnamese restaurant. And I'm very happy because the food is, since 8 years, the food evolved. I mean, changed a lot. I mean, and you can find a lot of good food in Vietnam. it's quite good. There is many restaurants who serve good quality food, and I'm very happy because for French, I like to eat, so I'm very happy to be there.
How long have you been in Vietnam?
I work in Vietnam since 2008, so nearly 8 years. And I work in different places, hotels and restaurants. And I go as well, sometimes when I have time, I go out in restaurants, like Maison tonight, I go Maison La Vie. Sometimes I go to other Vietnamese restaurants and visiting in the countryside. I like the countryside because it's very seafood. I go Da Nang. And I'm very enjoying to be in Hanoi now.
Có cái hỏi cái là cái phần hành chính của em thôi.
Okay, okay.
Because French food is famous and until it's a warm so
Yes, okay. The French food and the wine, I mean.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I go now? Andy? Badao? Andy? And Badao. Okay. So in France we have different dishes and then we very enjoy to make matching wine with a dish. Let's say foie gras. You go with sorry, foie gras. Sorry. So in France we like to eat and then we like to make matching the wine. Like foie gras we go with the Sauterne. Meat usually go with the red wine and then white wine. There is Chablis with the fish or Pouilly Fussé or there is many wine who's matching and we have the champagne as well, which go with everything and dessert. And I don't know what else I can say. But I have to say the white wine in Dalat is quite good. Huh? You have some very nice wine in Dalat. Is getting. I know some French friend of mine. They like wine, and then I give them Dalat wine. They were. They said, "My God, it's very good." The white wine is. You have a very good white Dalat. I do advertising for Dalat.
Thôi được rồi, em hiểu pháp và anh ấy nói rồi.
She understand and maybe you cannot understand the when
Anyway, after they can write what they want.
Chắc là em xin cảm ơn anh.
Fini? Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I'm sorry. But my wife, she didn't give me the answer, the question, so sorry.